Hey there, are you a fan of creative building sets and unique gifts? Well, we've got something special for you. Introducing the new Skibidi Toilet Refined Titan Speakerman Armored Upgraded Building Sets, the perfect gift for boys and girls aged 6 and up. This set faithfully captures every detail of the beloved character, Refined Titan Speakerman, with 525 meticulously selected building blocks. The cleverly articulated joint design allows for seamless posing and interactivity, taking your building experience to the next level. Not only is this building set a great source of entertainment, but it also fosters skill development in children. It enhances hand-eye coordination, teamwork, creativity, and patience, all while providing a break from screens. Plus, once it's assembled, it can double as a delightful decoration for bedrooms, desks, and offices. We take pride in the excellent quality of our building blocks, crafted from top-notch ABS material and rigorously safety certified in the United States. And if you ever encounter any issues, our dedicated customer service team is right here in the USA, ready to assist you. So why wait? Elevate your building experience with the new Skibidi Toilet Refined Titan Speakerman Armored Upgraded Building Set, the perfect gift for any occasion. Click the link in the description to get yours today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and unboxing of the latest toys and gadgets. Thanks for watching.